Go Ask Allie. Allie is in, and the first question comes from Lisa.
Hi, Allie.
Hi, Lisa.
Nice to meet
Can I offer
you
you some pink lemonade?
Yes, you can. Thank you very much.
Yes.
I have a daughter who is graduating in May from college.
Uh-huh.
She's going to be coming home after 4 years, and I was wondering if you had any advice for me on how to parent her, but still be able to give her freedom.
Well, first of all, let's get that little space above the garage ready. Put some carpeting down there. I think you can't parent anymore. I think if she wants to bring home the guy with the thing in his nose, you gotta let him. Yeah, no, when they're teenagers, like I have a 15-year-old, like you can kind of control them. I mean, you just take away their phone and they fall, they turn into
They
water.
collapse to the ground.
But I think at this age, she's pretty much who she is. I mean, her frontal lobe is already developed, so there's nothing you can do. Just don't try to be her best friend. Don't go to Pilates with her and do shots, and don't be that mom. Don't be Amy Poehler from whatever that movie was. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was fun.
Hi.
This is Kathy.
Hi, Cassie. Nice to meet you.
Meet you.
Can I offer you some?
Yes, please.
That
Thank
better
you.
be full of vodka. Yeah?
Oh boy, you know. My husband and I are approaching our 10-year anniversary,
Yeah.
and I usually get him something like a nice watch or weekend getaway. But this year I want to think outside of the box and get him something really great.
Because it's 10 years. It's
10
a
years.
day.
Yep.
Yes.
Any suggestions?
That's very sweet. Usually they put it on the onus on the man to come up with a cool idea.
Yeah.
What'd you do for your 10th?
I can't say it on TV. But I would give him something that money can't buy.
Okay.
Because I think the watch, the thing gets old. Do you wear lingerie? Do you ever? I mean, you know what? I'm going to be perfectly honest with you right now. For one of George's birthdays, I got a hotel room, and he came and had lunch in the middle of the day, and we had a little sexy time, and he went back to work with a skip in his step. But when it comes down to it, that's going to make them happy. At the end, they don't care about the leather vest or the horn for the Harley. If you give them some tender love and care and some kisses, they will be so happy.
Nice. Thank you.
Isn't that true? That is true. Thank you.
That's all men want.
Thanks for seeing me today.
Well, I'm very busy, but yes.
Okay, so I've been seeing this guy for a little over a month. I think it's going pretty well. The only thing is we've actually never been out. He buys, yeah.
Serial killer, serial killer.
He buys dinner and he pays for it, and I pick it up and I bring it over and we hang out.
Yeah.
You're his delivery person, sweetheart.
That's what my question is. Am I his personal delivery service? Or is he interested in me?
Wait a minute, though. Do you go to his house?
I do.
So he's not married. He's not hiding that.
No, he's not hiding that. But is he hiding me? Or does he just not want to pay the delivery guy?
Just let me get into the mind of a serial killer for a second. I actually would be totally offended. I don't think it's a delivery thing. He's keeping you
A secret.
a secret because he might have somebody else.
See, am I Tuesday,
I think
Thursdays?
she's right.
Yeah.
I think there's a reason.
Okay.
There has to be a reason. He's paying for the food. It's not that he's broke. He's trying to get you to pay for it. And you literally are his delivery system, but he likes you enough to have you around
I
over for a
also
month.
get free dinner, so am I upset?
No. Oh my God, the self-esteem with this girl. No, I think that
she's right.
He's got something else going on the
got
side, and
something
he
going
doesn't
on.
want to bump into her with you.
Okay.
So break up with him right now.
Can we tell him right now?
Or him.
Can we
Or
tell
him.
him right
Yeah.
now? No, I'm just kidding.
No, seriously.
Is he here?
No, but we could do it on national TV.
Wait, look at her. She's trying to give herself a little arc on your show.
I mean, let's
She wants to break up with her boyfriend on TV.
She's breaking up with you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. If you would like to have more of endless pages of this free advice, Go Ask Allie is in stores now. But if you're in the room right this minute, you're all very lucky because you're all going to go home with a copy.